Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. If your food keeps burning or cooking unevenly on a gas stove, you need this heat diffuser plate set. It comes with 11-inch and 9.5-inch sizes, perfect for simmering sauces, protecting cookware, and even fast defrosting. The anti-scald handle makes it safe and easy to use. It distributes heat evenly and prevents scorching. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. If you're tired of over-seasoning your food, this measuring seasoning bottle is a total game changer. It's not just a regular salt or pepper shaker. It has a built-in metering design that helps you control exactly how much spice you pour every time. Perfect for salt, paprika, cumin, sugar, or any powdered seasoning. The glass container lets you see when it's time for a refill, and the compact design keeps your kitchen looking clean and organized. Whether you're cooking daily meals or meal prepping, this little tool makes a big difference. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. Washing fruits and veggies just got so much easier with this large fruit cleaner spinner. It features a double-layer design with a drain basket and a built-in brush system that helps remove dirt and residue quickly. Just add water, spin the handle, and let the brush gently scrub your produce clean. It's perfect for strawberries, grapes, leafy greens, and more. The spacious design saves time, especially when you're prepping meals for the family. Simple, efficient, and super convenient for any kitchen. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. If you love quick and fun homemade treats, the Dash Mini Maker Griddle is a must-have for your kitchen. This compact little griddle heats up fast and cooks evenly, making it perfect for pancakes, eggs, cookies, or even mini sandwiches. The non-stick surface means no mess and super easy cleanup, and its small size makes it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or small kitchens. Just plug it in, wait a few minutes, and you're ready to cook. It's simple, cute, and incredibly convenient for everyday use. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. If you're tired of your bread going stale too fast, this 2-piece bread storage container set is exactly what you need. These airtight bread boxes are designed to keep your homemade bread, toast, and even cookies fresh for longer. They come with a smart time recording feature so you can track when you stored your bread and avoid waste. The sleek design looks great on your kitchen counter while keeping everything neatly organized. It's practical, reusable, and perfect for anyone who loves fresh bread at home. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. If your kitchen cabinet is a mess of falling plastic lids, you need this expandable bamboo lid organizer. It fits neatly inside your cabinet or drawer and comes with 3 adjustable dividers so you can customize the space to fit different lid sizes. The expandable design makes it perfect for small or large cabinets, and the bamboo finish gives your kitchen a clean, organized look. No more digging through piles to find the right lid, everything stays upright and easy to grab. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. If your kitchen sink area always looks cluttered, the Sicily sponge holder is a simple fix that makes a big difference. This stainless steel sink caddy keeps your sponge, scrubber, and dish brush neatly organized in one place. It even has a high brush holder so your long-handled brushes stand upright and dry faster. The open design allows water to drain easily, helping prevent buildup and keeping everything cleaner. It's compact enough for your countertop but spacious enough to hold your daily essentials. Clean sink, organized space, less mess. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. If you want your kitchen or bathroom sink to look instantly more modern, the AIKE stainless steel liquid soap dispenser is a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. It holds a generous amount of dish or hand soap, so you're not constantly refilling it, and the stainless steel design is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The smooth pump delivers just the right amount every time, keeping your counter neat and mess-free. It's sleek, practical, and built to last. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. If you're serious about making better coffee at home, the Greater Goods Coffee Scale with Timer is a total game changer. It measures with 0.1 gram precision, so you can weigh your coffee beans accurately and dial in the perfect brew every time. The built-in timer makes it ideal for pour-over and espresso, helping you control extraction like a pro barista. It's sleek, easy to use, and even comes with a waterproof cover to protect it from spills. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading your coffee setup, this scale takes your brewing to the next level. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. Tired of smelly food waste piling up in your kitchen? Check out this electric composter for kitchen, a smart countertop compost bin that turns your scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer in no time. It's completely odorless, super low noise, and even comes with an auto-cleaning function, perfect for busy homes. You can grab it on Amazon for fast delivery and trusted quality, or check AliExpress if you want a more budget-friendly option with international shipping. I've dropped both links in the description below. Start turning your food waste into eco-friendly fertilizer today, and make your kitchen cleaner and greener. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.